So I was messing with this yesterday. Shit. Stay. There's two ways I can go about this. I'm not sure whichever one would work or which one ever you prefer, but like that goes straight to the cord over here, or I don't know, let me know what you think about those and I might add some more.